Here's Elise with her new little toy. Shake it! Shake, 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 shake. Uh-oh, she's coming for the camera. Oh no, getting attacked. Where's the mouse? Go get the mouse. Go get the mouse. She already knows what to do with the mouse. You throw it, you hit it. Good job! Good job, Elise! Good job! There you go! Good job! She just hit it across the room. Where'd it go? You gonna go get it? There's the crawling, Dad. Now she's going crazy. There's a mouse. Kick it. Uh-oh, it's going for the TV. She knows just how to turn it on. Okay. Elise, say hi. Nope, you're too obsessed with the TV now? Silly baby. Alright, gotta go stop her. Bye!